Okay, today is Monday, the 21st day of November 2022, and we're going to try to see what we can get in the market. If we can see any opportunity of getting at least 20 to 50 to 100 pips today. Well, okay, so let me dive in and see if I can see anything. I was checking USD on the weekly chart, and I see that we are still in the old direction is showing that we are bearish. Are you getting it? We are bearish, we are currently bearish. So if I'm going to dive into it, this is the only this was a strong, this is a support I can get here, and I think we touched that support here, so probably we are reacting to it, and this whole price action is just choppy. There's nothing I'm saying there. So but if I should dive into it, we can trade anytime. Day trading, looking at some multiple time frame, doing multiple time frame analysis to see if we can get a trade to get maybe 20 to 50 pips. 20 to 50 pips can put a big huge smile on your face if you are using one lot. One lot is about 20 pips about $2,000, 50 pips about $5,000. So let me see if I can get you guys anything you can use to work with. And these days I see that no matter how I try to shorten my videos, it goes too long. So let me dive in. Let me go to the daily if there's anything. And in the daily we are currently bullish, but you know these markets are too tricky. We came up, we came down, we broke this. Moment we broke this, we know that we are bullish. So we came up, we tested that support I was telling you about. Now we're coming down to test these what's it called, this whole move. This on the pounds chef Swiss share, what's it called, share from currency. So what are we doing right now? We are currently in this push phase. Are you getting it? Testing that, and what is happening here right now? Well, I'm seeing red, so I'll just go back to the 4-hourly time frame to see what is happening on the 4-hourly time frame. What I usually do is just follow the market. So I think I got about, let me further go down and see what is happening here, or go to the 4-hourly chart and see what I can get on the 4-hourly chart. There's anything I can extract from there. So on the 4-hourly chart, we started breaking down from here. We broke down from here, came back to retest. We couldn't go up, so we broke further down. We came back to retest our supply here. I guess in it, we broke down again. So that's to tell us that we are on what's it called? We have been on a bearish trend since I think from here, since on the 3rd of November. So whatever is happening right now, let me see what is happening right now. We are still bearish, or we are currently bullish. If you can see, when we broke down here, we broke down, we came back, we changed a little character here, we came up, came back to retest that, then we went up again. That's to tell us that we are currently bullish. But look at, remember, this was our last 4-hourly high. Are you getting it? Are we going back to retest it, or we are just still in a bullish circle? What I can see here is that since we are a little bit bullish on the hourly, we are still bullish on this move. Usually what you should usually learn how to do is what's it called, follow the immediate structure. So we are still trading in between this push. This was from one push, this is on that push. So we are still trading in between this push. Are you getting it? So that's to tell you that we are still bearish. Are you getting it? Since we are still trading within that push, we might be a little bit, are you getting it, bullish right now, but as long as we don't break above this, we are still bearish. So where are we? Let me try and see if I can get anything to see if we are in any place. So if I am to delete all of this, let me go and delete all of them. No need delete all of this. You can always do your rough analysis again in minutes. So where are we? We are here right now. We are still here on this 4-hourly push. Are you getting it? We are still here. Sorry, let me delete this. Let me use my brush so that it's faster. We are still here. So we are still talking about this place right now. So where are we currently? We came down, came up, broke it, changed character, came up, came down, broke it, changed character. Did we break this? Yes, with this. We broke with this particular. So we came back, we tested, went up again. Did we break this? Yes, so we should expect a deep reversal to the downside. So if that should be the case, since we broke the last high on this, if that should be the case, I think we are coming to, let's use our Fibonacci retracement from the downside. I'll check if we are reversing right now. If we are to reverse, then we should check our 50% retracement level. This might be where we are coming from, but are we shifting to the downside? Let's confirm. Let's drop down to in the hourly chart. In the hourly chart, yes, we did a shift. The shift is this one. We broke structure, so that's to tell us that we are shifted bearish again to the downside. And if anytime we break structure, this usually happens. So if we break this structure, this usually happens. We come back to the upside to test this supply, and since we tested that supply, we are breaking down again. So if we can break this structure again, they will test this supply again. Are you getting it? This is your entry. So today is Monday. Maybe before the day runs out, if we can get this entry, then we'll break down to the downside. That's to give us about how many pips. So if I'm to delete all this, are you sorry? Everybody, your eyes are red, seriously. Take it easy. The money will get them. Are you getting? So if I'm expecting this push, all right, now there. If I'm expecting the push from here, are you getting it? So let me just say, I'll be entering from 320 pips to probably 206 pips. That's about 320 to 206. That's 114 pips. 114 pips right now on this trade is a very nice trade. So I've seen a trade already on what's it called? Let me see if I can get a price range. So if I'm taking this trade from here to here, I guess that's 110 pips. 110 pips. So 110 pips and one lot is about one lot on 110 pips. So calculate it on OctaFS or any of these calculators, but one lot is giving us about $10,000. So this is a very good trade. 0.1 lot will give us about $1,000 or so. So it depends on what you use. I might be wrong with that calculation, but go and find out. Go and check how to calculate the pips. But this would be a very good trade on GBPCHF. So normally I do rough calculations like this, what's it called, like this, and give to you guys. So what are we looking at? The final thing we are looking at right now, if I can pull up my parts, I guess we came down, we tested here, we came to our supply, we checked. If we can break this structure, then we can come back here to check supply, then we're coming down here. This is what we're looking at right now on GBPCHF. So this is what I'm looking at. So conservatively, aggressively, I entered this trade from here. I've taken the trade already. I can show you. I get in aggressively. I took that trade from there aggressively, but conservatively, conservative traders should just wait for this and take it from there. So depends. Let me stop this now. There's no way I can do a 1 minute or 3 minutes video. I don't know why. And most of my contacts are on WhatsApp. Are you getting it? So this is a trade I have on GBPCHF. The big moves will start coming on Wednesday. The Fed and the US Fed share, FOMC Fed share speaking. Somebody speaking on Wednesday, so I don't know. I can't go into that details right now. The other thing I can see right now, are you getting it? This is a bearish case scenario. There's no time for doing a bullish case scenario. I would have just said that, okay, if the only bullish case scenario we'll have is coming down here, coming here, then find the support here, break above this, and find a resistance, support here again, then we can come up. This is the only bearish case, bullish case scenario I can see there. So let me stop for now. I'll upload this video for you guys to see so that you know how to find your directions out. Thank you very much. My name is still Mr. Mari Nelson. Bye.